Ever tried recording your screen but those messages pop up or calls suddenly appear and ruin the take? Let's fix that in just a few steps. In this video, I will show you how to record your screen without any notification or distraction by using Do Not Disturb or DND mode on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. To do so, go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Setting icon. Scroll down the screen, tap Notification, tap Do Not Disturb, tap Calls and Messages, and set both to None. This blocks all incoming calls and messages. Go back, then tap App Notification, and while it's set to allow selected apps, let this menu empty to mute every app notification while recording. Go back, then tap Hide Notification, then turn on Hide from Notification panel. This hide pop-up messages and removes the status bar icon during your recording. Tap the back key to save the change. Finally, turn on Do Not Disturb on before starting your screen recording. And that's it. Your screen recording will be completely clean and distraction free. No calls, no pop-ups, no icon, just pure focus. This method is simple but super effective when you need a professional looking recording. And in the next video, I will show you how to make this process automatic using routine or Bixby routine, so you will not even have to turn on DND manually. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.